Hey, welcome guys, especially my American Changer mechanics that still have in operation some of the red digit display boards, and to the right of my index finger there are 5 digits. I will show you one in operation here now. The point of this video is really a simple one. I want to show my customer that his board that we worked on is going back in working operation. This is a good customer in Puerto Rico. Anyways, let's start over. Let's power it up. As you can see, we have our 110 hopper hooked up. The way these hook up when you run one hopper and one validator is you start with your plug that is closest to the on-off switch, and then you go diagonally across the board and you use this plug. Okay, this one here has dip switches 1 and 5 on, which means it's going to give exact par as far as 4 quarters for $1, and then the number 5, he must have a coin acceptor, maybe takes a quarter and gives a token. So alright, without further ado, unfortunately I'm running low on battery. Okay, just a minor glitch there, ran out of battery. Okay, let's power it up. Alright, the MEI came on, everything made the exact noise it's supposed to make. As you can see, maybe you can, maybe you can't. That pulse on the last digit there in the bottom right corner means that it is in good operating condition. Let me put the camera on the tripod here, so I have one spare hand. And we will put $1 in and show you that we get 4 coins. As you can see, my arrows are flashing. The MEI is ready to take money. Alright, 4 coins. Now, we do have one of these boards that does exactly what I just showed you, but it only does it once and shuts down. So we are showing you that we could do this all day, and it is in good shape. So guys, that is our 110 system. These are getting to be a little bit of the dinosaur age, kind of a temporary band-aid. What was wrong with this one was the program chip. Now, a lot of the old timers, myself included, thought that this chip right out there was an EEPROM. Well, it's not an EEPROM. That is a processor chip, and we do not have the means to duplicate those. And nor do we know if there was a machine available anymore that does duplicate those. So once these are all gone, as you can see, we have a pile of boards here, more of these on the shelves. We've pretty much robbed everything we can out of them to keep our customers running. So guys, if you're still running a 110 system, plan on some point to moving up to the universal boards, the new green stripe hopper, which runs on the 24-volt side. So anyways guys, one more successful repair here, and it's going to be on its way back to Puerto Rico when you view this video. So guys, for now, Doug at Doug's World Tour, vending and amusement channel, representing American Changer and one of the early style boards. Thanks for watching.